Whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to run a quick PC health check and performance of your Windows PC. Whether you want to buy a used laptop or you have been using your PC for a very long time and you found out that there are some of issue with your laptop, how can you run a quick health check and performance of your PC before you can diagnose your Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11? Let me show you how. This is very much important, whether you have been using your PC for a very long time or you want to buy a second-hand PC. Let's check it out. The very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here, and then you want to make sure you right-click on your Start window menu. Go ahead and click on Start Settings, and then it's going to load up to Setting right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Privacy and Security right here. So click on that, and the next thing you want to do is to go to Windows Security right here, and then go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection, and then it's going to take you right here. Then come to the top right here, go ahead and click on this three slider, and then you want to come down below right here and look for Device Performance and Health, and boom, it's going to get you the health report of that particular PC at the time you check to this part right here. So storage capacity, no issue. Battery health, no issue. App and software, no issue. And window time service, no issue. If there is any issue with any of these 4 cardinal points right here, you're going to be checking the details right here. Simply click on here and the report is going to be given right here. If it is a storage capacity report, you'll be given. The battery life of the PC, you'll be given right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.